इतना अच्छा मौसम हो रहा है आज, सैटरडे है। इट्स अबाउट 14-15 डिग्रीज एंड अमेजिंग। धूप निकली हुई है। हम लोग जस्ट एक स्वेटशर्ट पहने हैं। दैट्स जस्ट ब्रिलियंट। वी आर गोइंग टू थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर नियर बाय। Our favorite thing to do. Actually, my favorite thing to do. Husband is just tagging along. बहुत ज़्यादा दिन के बाद जा रहे हैं। काफ़ी दिन हो गए नहीं गए, नहीं तो we'll see, शायद कुछ अच्छा मिल जाए। As usual, got some random shit. मुझे पढ़ के आना चाहिए कि हम लोग कहाँ आ रहे हैं, बट हम लोग ऐसे ही आ जाते हैं बिना पढ़े। और वीडियो खोल के कुछ बताने को नहीं होता कि कौन सी जगह है। तो मे बी मैं वॉइस ओवर में डाल दूँगी कि इस जगह की हिस्ट्री क्या है, व्हाट दिस प्लेस इज़। लेकिन ब्यूटी आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं। बहुत अच्छा वेदर है। एकदम से हमने प्लान किया एंड वी आर हियर। कितना 40 मिनट्स का ड्राइव था घर से। दिस प्लेस इज़ कॉल्ड लोमेल। और बाकी वॉइस ओवर में।
Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. It's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time trying to control. Eventually gonna need some liberation. I cross your mind once in a while. Okay, you have a wild imagination. I wanna see you too. Just drop a pin and then you send your location. Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up.
Hi everybody, good morning. So आज संडे है. He's still using the vacuum. So अभी आपने देखा होगा कि I just cleaned my house using my new Dyson. I bought a Dyson. I finally caved in and I was like, yeah, I need that vacuum in my life. So I went and purchased a Dyson V11. Yeah, that's the one I have. It's Dyson V11 and I got it last week and I've been playing with it. I've been trying different things and all I can say, it's amazing. ऑल्सो आपने देखा होगा कि कल हम लोग थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर गए थे, तो मैंने दिखाया नहीं कि what all I purchased. So I'll just give you a quick glimpse of what all I got. So this is a footstool or just a stool. I don't know what I should call this, but this is what I got, and it was for €7 with the seat. And I took off the cover. I washed it yesterday with baking soda, vinegar to just get rid of any germs, you know. So yeah, I think it looks really nice. It looks really mid-century modern-esque, and it really goes with my living room. All I need is to just change the color of the rug. I'm not liking that yellow anymore, but nevertheless, that's something that I can do later on. I think it just completes my living room situation right here. I also got this super cute lampshade. It's super chunky, super chubby. I really like it. I'm going to DIY on it, and I'm planning to give it a more of a concrete finish sort of thing. But till then, it looks really cute. I also got some dried flowers yesterday. Dried flowers plants. So it was bunch of these dried leaves. So what I did was I just split up the bouquet into different parts. And these are some of the leaves which I kept here. It has lavender as well. I think it looks really cute. This is my coffee table situation. It's not a coffee table. It's like a footstool from IKEA. But it's okay. I mean, for now it's fine. And this is the basket which I also thrifted long back. So I just spray painted it black. So this is the center table situation going on. Super cute. I also put some leaves here as well, and some leaves in my bathroom as well. They smell really nice. I think because of the lavender leaves. Oh my god, it smells so good. I also got this lamp right here. It has black and very natural aesthetic, which I like, and I got this for €6. I got this from Action. It's a chain store all over Belgium, and they have some really cute and affordable decor pieces. I also wanted to quickly show you the new cushion covers which I got from H&M Home. So this one right here, this striped one right here, and these two right here, these are really textured cushion covers. These three are like together, like a set of 3. These are from H&M Home. I will link them in the description box if you feel like getting them. They are for €19 for a set of 3. 50 by 50 is it? Yeah, they are 50 by 50 and super cute. They sell out super quickly, so if you want to get your hands on, which I think you definitely should, then head to my description box. You will find them there. I still have the tag on because I was filming an H&M Home video, so I just wanted to let the tag be on. And this is another one which I also got from H&M. It's really neutral, natural, with embroidery patches all over. So pretty. I think I am ready for spring now. I removed all the colored cushions from my couch and I just placed all neutral ones with just a little bit of gray ones right here, just to bind the look together, because my throw has a gray and white design on it. And yeah, that's the pink cushion just lying there, chilling. So this is my living room and I'm loving how it's looking right now. I just need to tackle this situation right here, but that can be done later on. So those were some of the bits, my home decor bits that I recently got, and I recently sort of redid something in my house just to spice it up and make it spring ready. Just adding few new things. कुछ जो already living room में था, मैंने उसको या तो bedroom में कर दिया है या अपने ऑफिस में कर दिया है, तो just distributed things और यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा changes कर दिए हैं. थोड़ा सा weather भी अच्छा हुआ है, weather बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. Like really, I'm wearing sleeveless right now because weather is amazing. सारी windows खुली हैं, अच्छी हवा चल रही है. It's quite warm. I think it's 18 degrees today. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly give you a glimpse of my rental apartment and how it's looking right now. Yeah, I'm liking how it's looking right now. I also wanted to show you one super cute DIY which I did. I mean, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be, but still, it's really cute. Let me just give you a quick glimpse of it. So this is the DIY which I did. I mean, I don't like the color though. I want it more muted, but it's okay. It's like a sunset orange. It's just a blank canvas, and I used grout on it. The grout that you use for tiles, etc. Made it really textured, and I painted this with acrylic paint. I want it to be a little muted in color, but I think for now it's okay. I think I will take this to my bedroom. I will get a bigger canvas, and I will put it right here जहाँ पे ये mirror लगा हुआ है. I will remove the mirror and I'll put the mirror here, और एक बड़ा canvas, and I'll do this DIY and I'll put the canvas there, so it'll just bind everything together. So yeah, that's my Sunday. That's how my Sunday is looking. How was your Sunday? Do let me know in the comment section. I would love to know कि आपने क्या क्या किया, और जहाँ आप रह रहे हो वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर कैसा है. ऑल्सो संडे को यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ करने के लिए नहीं होता क्योंकि सारी शॉप्स बंद होती हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू मूव टू बेल्जियम यू शुड नो कि संडे को सब कुछ बंद होता है एक्सेप्ट फॉर ग्रॉसरी एंड मेजर except for grocery and I think medical stores. So बाकी सब कुछ बंद होता है. तो you can do some outdoor activities. जैसे आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है तो people are doing some outdoor activities, cycling, biking, walking, hiking. But apart from that आप shopping नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि सब कुछ बंद रहता है. तो संडे को people stay at home, they spend time with their families. हम लोग भी सोच रहे हैं कि let's go out, take advantage of the time and the sun and the warmth because मेरा काम हो चुका है. I've scheduled some videos for the next week, so I'll take some pictures for the Instagram and things like that. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. It's here. I'll put it up here or it's linked in the description box. And I would love to connect with you guys. So अगर आपके पास कोई भी questions हैं, try to help you out. मतलब मुझे सारे jobs के बारे में नहीं पता. मुझे बहुत सारे questions मिलते हैं like teaching and things like that. But मुझे exactly नहीं पता उन jobs के बारे में, तो मैं कुछ गलत information नहीं देना चाहती. इसलिए I just try to give some references या फिर some websites that you can visit and find out the things like whatever your questions are. So yeah, that is all. Let's see what we do after our lunch.